Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Do you know why parents bring healthy children to see a chiropractor? Well, I don't know if you've noticed, but when they're learning to walk, kids can fall 10 to 20 times a day just as they're learning to walk. And that can cause jarring to the spine and cause subluxations or nerve interference. So chiropractors specialize in checking the spines of children so that they can correct those subluxations and restore proper nerve supply. If that subluxation persists, it can then lead to problems with development. So at that age, toddlers, we want them to be able to move their body, learning how to walk, learning how to run, and we want it to be balanced and symmetrical. So we're going to take a close look at that. We want their gait to be accurate so that it's moving their body, moving their feet and their legs and their hips properly. And then also we want them to have free motion in their spine and in their neck. And there can be times when they get moved and jarred around that causes those subluxations. And that can then start to interfere with healthy pediatric development, hitting their milestones that they need to. So when we are adjusting toddlers, we work with them in a very special way. Many times they like to just be cuddled right with their mamas. And so we adjust them right on their mamas' bellies so they can stay snug with them. And they respond beautifully. We just use light touch work, and it helps them to integrate any of the stresses and jarring that has occurred. And their brain can actually make changes so that they unwind those subluxations and that frees them up so that they have clear nerve supply, which then means optimum function. If you want to have a healthy body, you need to have a healthy nervous system. If you want a healthy nervous system, you need to have a healthy spine. So teaching kids great spinal hygiene is what we're all about here at Wellspring. I hope you found this was useful. If you did, please share it with others, and I'll look forward to sharing more with you again soon.